Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're wondering how to check the post you have shared on Weverse, in this quick video I'll show you how to see your posts on Weverse app step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Weverse app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now visit the community you are a part of. Now tap on your profile picture or icon. It's usually at the bottom right corner of the screen or in the top corner depending on your app version. Inside your profile, you will see tabs like Posts, Comments, Fan Letter, Party. Tap on Posts to view everything you have posted in artist communities. If you're a part of multiple communities like BTS, TXT or in hyphen, use the filter or scroll to see posts under each artist. If you want to delete or edit a post, tap the three dots next to your post and select the option you need. And that's how you see your post on Weverse. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.